Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited and hoping that I can get some special people to help me in the kitchen today. The kids love to be in here, so we might as well put them to work. Let's get cooking. All right, Ab, can you pick what you want for dinner? You want the fig chicken? All right, balsamic fig chicken. I'm glad you picked this one because this is one that Mom can do. And you know, I love HelloFresh because it gets us out of our comfort zone. The kids get used to what I cook for them all the time. And I just love being able to come up with different ideas. I've never made anything with fig, and it's gonna have broccoli and potatoes. So that's awesome.
Hey, we're gonna get the bag.
Can you find the bag? Ab, that says
not
balsamic.
That one. Get the middle one. Yep, pull it out. 2 hands.
There you go.
Good job.
Make sure you click the link down in the description to sign up for HelloFresh and get your 9 free meals that they're offering. We also need our chicken that goes with this. Can you get the chicken?
Come on.
It's going to be on the second shelf.
I got it.
Okay, Abby. Come here. You open this.
Here.
Oh,
Take that over there. There you go.
cool. Here we go. Can you pull the ingredients out of the bag for me?
Here.
Go ahead.
Come here.
Pull them out of there. What's in there? Put it on the counter. Broccoli. Yum. So obviously we get the family for 4 meals, and so everything is doubled. So I love that. You can get it for 2 people as well. Go ahead, get the rest of it.
Oh my god.
What's in there?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Woo! And it always comes with all the ingredients that you need, which is amazing, except for like butter and oil. Sometimes you have to add that, but other than that, you are good to go. We have lots of potatoes.
She's an aggressive chef.
Hey, hold on. There's some more in here.
Them out.
Look,
Come on.
there's a couple more things. Thank you.
Put it on there nicely. It's jars. Okay, I'll get the jars.
Perfect. Nice job. Thank you. All right, Isaiah.
We don't need that.
Let's see what your cooking abilities are. You want to?
I'm nervous. I'm not good
Don't
at
be
cooking.
nervous.
I need to learn this for college though.
Right?
It's important.
So I like it because it has prep time 10 minutes. Total time is 35 minutes. Like that's super easy.
Mm-hmm.
That's way easier than like going to a fast food restaurant, right?
No.
No?
Not when you're using mom and dad's credit card.
But it's healthier. And calories are 590. That's
not
really
bad.
good. So it's going to give us all the instructions right here.
Mm-hmm.
And so let's get cooking, Isaiah. Take these potatoes over to the sink, and we're going to rinse them off. Okay? Yep, put
Good
them right
job.
there. Here you go. Thank you, ma'am. Those 2. Okay. Let's turn.
Here, roll your sleeves up.
Yeah, I got her. We're
Okay.
gonna wash these, and then you're gonna cut.
All right.
We're washing potatoes, not Abby's hands. Wash the potatoes. So the cool thing I like about HelloFresh, guys, is we have to have something quick and easy because they just got home from school, they're hungry, and they have to get homework going. So we need something that's fast. And we don't always cook in the kitchen together. I do have fun when we do, but it's chaotic as well, let's be honest. All right, so you are just gonna cut those into like small cubes.
Can I like half it and then quarter it?
Yep.
Is that cool?
Just look at your picture over there. That's what you have the directions for. You got it?
Probably not gonna look like that, but I'm gonna try.
Okay. Put it in the sink. Got it? And then take the broccoli and dump it in there for me. Put it in there, one at a time. You have to dump it out of the bag. There you go. Okay, get the other one. Dump it out of the bag. You go shake it. Oh, not too much. Okay, put them in there. Okay, now turn the water on. You gotta rinse your broccoli. Move it over here. The water gets us every time. I feel like maybe you should have a different job. Is this too much? You think it's too much? Okay, look. You ready? Take your colander. Take it. Shake it. Shake it like that. Got it? Okay, listen. You're going to take this to your brother. So put it right here. Hey, tap your brother. Say,
Yo,
there
what's
you
up?
go. There you go.
Right.
Okay,
just
he's
leave it
got
right
it.
here.
He's going to cut it up for you, okay? Thank you so much. So with HelloFresh, you have tons of options. You can change your week. Like if you're on vacation like we were, you just change your week when they deliver to you. You can also add desserts.
Why didn't we do that?
I didn't know it was an option until just now.
That's awesome.
So that's super cool. I really think this is a good gift for people. You know, if you have elderly people that maybe aren't cooking the way they used to, but they're still able to get in the kitchen, this might be a really good idea for them.
Or if you just want to send a gift to somebody.
Yeah.
Maybe you got a college kid
that lives off campus and likes to cook. That would be a cool idea.
They can cook it in the campus little dorm kitchen. They
Yeah, I
can
don't
do
think
that.
you can.
Sure.
If you guys are going back and forth about what company maybe you want to go with, I think the cool thing about HelloFresh is they have more 5-star recipe reviews than any other company. So there you go. And you get my smiling face to show you these awesome recipes. And your smiling face. Can you put this in that bag right there? Can you help me clean up? Right here.
Right there.
Put it in the bag. Put that in there. One of the other things I wanted to let you guys know about is that HelloFresh has so many options for everybody. They have vegetarian, craft burgers, low-calorie options. So make sure you click down in the link below, get your 9 free meals, and let me know what you think. Comment down below if you're already a member of HelloFresh. Let me know what your favorite meal is. We're going to go ahead and get the rest of these ingredients done, get our meal plated up, and just enjoy a nice family meal together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you tune in to next video, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.